In this video, I'll show you how to import your Google contacts to your iPhone. So if you want to import your contacts list from Google, the first thing we need to do is open up the settings app on your phone. From the settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on apps. Now scroll down again until you see contacts and click on this. Click on contacts accounts, click on add account and select Google. Now you'll need to go and sign in with your Google account. Once you've signed in, click continue, click on select all and then scroll down to the bottom and press continue. Now make sure contacts is turned on and enabled from this list and then go and hit save. Now once you've added your Google account, we can head back over to the phone app. And if you click on contacts in the bottom navigation, you should now be able to see all of your Google contacts. Now you can filter this by clicking on lists in the top left hand side, and you can see underneath Gmail, we can click on all Gmail and you'll be able to find your specific contacts just in the Gmail list, or you can come back over to lists and just keep it set to all contacts. So that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.